What's up, guys? It's Don Did It right here with another feature for you can DIY it yourself. 2008 to 2013 Nissan Rogue. This should fall under all of them. Customer states he was driving the vehicle and it just died on him. So I got it towed back to my garage. I found out that there was no power going to the fuel pump and my gas gauge wasn't reading all the gas. So we tore up his back seat, checked for power, no power. So I came over here, and this has a IPDM. That last 15, this one right here, that's your fuel pump fuse. The fuel pump relay is integrated, is built in to the fuse box. It is non-serviceable. So I mean, I went to the junkyard and I got one for pretty cheap, for like 20 bucks, 15. I don't remember. But what's it called? I swapped it out. Didn't resolve my issue. So I was pretty frustrated. You know, I've been poking around this thing for a while and I couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So out of pure anger, I just disconnected this connector over here. Shit, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in right here. Oh yeah, y'all can see that. Most definitely. Look at that. The corrosion. That little green dot right there, that's corrosion. Well, 2 days later, and probably 300 buck connectors with heat shrink built into them, I got this thing wired up. The connector that I got from the junkyard is missing this wire right here. So I'm gonna put a male on that side right here and a female on the other, wherever it's at. I don't want to move this stuff around too much. Oh look, it's right here. This one right here. I also found corrosion in these connectors down here. You can't see it anymore, but I cleaned it off with some electrical cleaner. By the way, don't get that stuff on your skin. It'll irritate the out of you. So this is what I used right here. Got electric contact cleaner. I made sure I cleaned all of them. This one still has some in it. Oop, sorry, I'm using the camera with one hand. Let me see if we can zoom in. Oh yeah, you can still see it. I think you can still see it. But I'm about to connect the battery and plug in these connectors again. Oh, by the way, I tore up the steering column too. I thought it was a switch. But yeah, stay tuned. See if she fires up. Wish me luck, guys. This is Don Did It Yourself. Out.